Right, this one is all about surface area. Basically, it's working out the area of all the little bits and adding them together. Right, a cube has a side length of 8 millimeters. Calculate the surface area. So we've got a cube here, and it's 8, because everything's 8. So 8 times 8 is 64, and there are 6 sides. So 64 times 6 will equal 384 what? Millimeters, and it's square. Okay, calculate the surface area of the cuboid. So the front is going to be 9 by 5. The side is 4 times 5. And the top is 4 times 9. Okay, so let's do the top. 4 times 9 equals 36. Now there's the bottom as well, so we'll multiply that by 2, which is 72. Now the front is 9 times 5, which is 45. And then there's the back, so we multiply that by 2, and that gives us 90. And the side is 4 by 5, which is 20. And there's a left and right side, so multiply that by 2, which gives us 6 sides altogether, so that is 40. And we just add that together, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 202 centimeters square. So we've got a triangular prism. So we'll do the sides. The bottom is 6 by 15. 6 times 15, which is 90. Excuse me. Now the sides, 15 by 5. So 5 times 15 are the sides. I think that's 75, isn't it? Yeah. 5 times 15 the sides, which is 75. Now there's 2 of them, so that will be 150. Times 2, which equals 150 times 2. Right, so we got the bottom and the 2 sides. Now we've got to do the triangle bits. Now the triangles, the area of a triangle is half base height, which is 0.5 times the base is 6 times the height is this 4 at the back. So 6 4 is 24, that is 12. Now there's the front and the back triangle, so multiply that by 2, which equals 24. So all of them, we need to do the surface area, add these 3 numbers up together. So 90, 150 and 24, which is 4, 14, 16, go on, 16, yeah, and 2. 264 meters square. Wonder what other shapes have we got? So we've got a square base pyramid. Calculate the surface area. So this is the square, so the bit in the middle is 16. Then we've got these triangles, which is half base height, which equals 0.5 times the base is going to be 4 times the height is going to be 9. So 4 nines are 36, half of 36 is 18. Now we've got 4 of them, so 18 times 4 is 72. So the whole area of the surface area is going to be these 2 numbers added together, which is 88 millimeters square. Now we've got to do this one, the surface area of the cylinder. So again, we've got this bit where we need to work out the length of this rectangle in the middle. So we do that, the circumference is going to be the same as the circumference, equals pi d, which is 3.14 times the diameter, which is 6. So 3.14 times 6, which is 18.84. 18.84. So that is 18.84. Now, the area of this is 18.84 times 6 times 6, which is 113.04. 113.04. Okay, so that's this rectangle in the middle. Now we have to work out the area of the circle. Now the area of a circle is pi r squared, which is 3.14 times the radius 3 squared, which is 9. So 3.14 times 9, which is 28.26. 28.26. Now there's two of them, so we need to multiply that by 2, which is 12, 5, 6, and 5. 56.52 are the circles. So to find the whole area, we need 113.04, don't do that number, plus 56.52. And that will be 65961 centimeters squared. There's the answer to that one. Right, calculate the surface area of these 3D shapes. So we've got some bits missing. So let's have a look. So if the top is 11, or the side, the height is 11, and that's 5. So the difference between 11 and 5 is 6. So that must be 6. Now this is 6, that's 6, that's 6, and that's 6. What about these? If it's 15 all the way across and that's 7, this must be 8 there. Right, so this bit is 7 times 6, which is 42. This bit is 6 times 6, which is 36. This bit is 6 times 8, which is 6 8 to 48. And this bit is 5 times 6, which is 30. Right, the bit at the bottom here, underneath, is 6 times 15. 5, 6, 30, 90. So we've got some numbers to add up. What about this side? It's 11 by 6. So this bit round here is 11 times 6, which is 66. Now, we've got to do the front and the back. Now, let's chop this up into two parts. So this bit is 7 times 6, which is 42. This bit is 5 times 15. 5 times 15. 5 times 15, which is 75. Right, so the front is 42 plus 75, which is 711. Now there's the front and the back is exactly the same, so we need to multiply that number by 2, which gives us 14, 2 and 3 and 2. So there's the front and the back. There's the left hand side, the right hand side. So we need to now add all these numbers up together. So we've got 42, 36, 48, 30, 66, 90, and 2, 3, 4. All of those added together. I'm going to use a calculator for this, yeah? 42 plus 36 plus 48 plus 30 plus 66 plus 90 plus 2, 3, 4. The grand total of 546 centimeters squared. That's it. Right, so there you go. Many thanks to these people. Yeah, many thanks. Right, so that is surface area. So, good. See you in the next one.